Hi, welcome to the Ngrs Aeg test video. We're just going to be testing this Tokyo Marui HK416 retest that's came back into left. We have redone the hop rubber that's on there, and it seems like that was an old one that's on there, so I'm not quite sure what's going on with this one. But today we can only fix what's in front of us. So this one has needed the R-hop redoing because obviously it was shooting left. The problem is that that's reached the limit of that particular barrel on doing R-hop. We don't want to do any more on it because you do need to sand R-hop flat, given enough times of reinstalling R-hops over and over and over, eventually you just reach a limit on what you can do on that barrel. So we've replaced that brass barrel now with obviously a steel Prometheus one, and we've redone the R-hop on that one, and it's now shooting straight. So all we can do is do what's in front of us, and the old barrel, the old hop was shooting left, so now it's a new barrel, new hop, and it's not shooting left. So hopefully that's now addressed that problem. Obviously I've pinged some shots at range myself, so it definitely is shooting straight, and it wasn't a windy day, whereas maybe it was a windy day before, but lovely day today for testing. So definitely is going straight, and hopefully it's obviously a better result for you. We tightened the stock up as well. That's pretty much everything that was on the specification for doing this gun. So hopefully that's all sorted and addressed now. Yeah, we'll just demonstrate it working quickly, even though obviously it hasn't had anything else done, so everything should all be good in that regard. It's just literally hot rubber and testing. Obviously we're going to ping you some FPS results, and you just need to confirm those, and obviously if that's all right, we should be able to pass this. Go. So all good and tested, and hopefully you see the results that I saw. Like I said, it was a really decent distance and nice and straight, and obviously it just needed the new barrel in there. So yeah, so hopefully we're all good. All right, thank you.